You didn't think you have to come here to the internet to look for help in how to change the batteries on your great Yale Assure Lock 2. Have you? In the manual it says easy, just pull this up, and that's your first problem. You can't get this cover off. How do you do that? So let me show you. You go with your fingernails underneath this end and this end here, and then you pull up. See that? That is so easy. I show you again. So it slides on like this, and you can do whatever you want. You won't get it off. The more you push here, the less you get it off, right? You have to take the pressure off those two areas, here and here, right? So the fingernails there, very easy to get up. Okay, now in here it states warning for use with alkaline batteries only. This is there because people put in lithium batteries because they think it lasts longer if you put lithium ion in here. And that is a big mistake because it does not last longer, because the lithium ion battery has a higher voltage than the alkaline batteries. So, what do I have here? I have a Duracell rechargeable battery, right? So the only problem you can have with this is that you throw it out after it's dead, and you throw it away because you think it's a regular Duracell. It's not. Okay? Let's remove the batteries that are in here, and then we replace them with the rechargeables. Here, there is this little tab on here, hopefully. It's when you pull on, and then they all fall out. Oh, like this. Very fast and easy to remove. Now, if you put the new ones in, you have to make sure that this tab stays in the back. Okay, the negative, not the copper head, the negative goes to the spring. Feel in here. The spring of the battery in the back is on this side. Okay, hold this up, put the battery in on the bottom here, right? The one on top of that is the other way around, copper head that way. Okay, so you get first insert this thing where the spring is, and then force that in there like that. Okay, so that works well there. Bottom here, probably my hand in the way here, and then top there, and it is, your tab is here, okay? Wonderful. It should make a signal, right? It's back online, and then you just slide your thing back on here, and now it works. Depends on your setting, this thing is gonna lock at one point. It is recommended to connect to your app to set the time inside. But other than that, we have a successful battery change, and you are welcome.